Hey fam, today we're going to be cooking macaroni and cheese. I hope you guys are ready. This is an easy, beginner-friendly recipe with simple ingredients. Okay fam, so this is our ingredients that we're using today. We have the elbow noodles. I just picked up the large ones. If you like the small ones, you can get those as well. We have our Mexican 4 cheese blend, and we have our 6 cheese blend Italian cheese. We have some cream cheese, which is going to make it nice, rich, and creamy. Evaporated milk and regular milk, butter, egg, and the last thing is a little bit of smoked Gouda. And a little bit of smoked Gouda is going to go a long ways, okay? So these are all the ingredients. The only thing I don't have here, I did use Velveeta cheese. I forgot to show it on this little picture right here, but you do want some Velveeta cheese, and you don't need a lot of it either. So we're going to go ahead and head over to the stove so we can get this sauce together. So in a pan over medium heat, you want to add a little bit of milk. I don't add a lot of milk at the same time. I just incorporate it gradually as I go along because I don't want it too loose and I don't want it too thick. So we're just going to bring this on medium heat, let it warm up, and then we're going to add in our Velveeta cheese. At the same time, I've already started a pot of water for my noodles, added some salt and oil so that can boil and the noodles don't stick. Make sure you salt the water for your noodles. Now for the cheese, you want to make sure you watch it and you stir it. Keep stirring it so it does not stick or burn, and just let it melt down. As it melts down, you want to start incorporating your other cheeses. So let me see, I think we're going to do the Italian first. So we have the 6 cheese Italian blend, and I'm going to add this whole bag of Italian cheese to the macaroni and cheese. Now, it does not matter what brand you use at all. Feel free to use whatever brand, or if you want to sit down and shred cheese yourself, by all means. To me, it comes out the same either way. I saw that it's a little thick, so I'm just going to add a little bit more milk, and then we're going to go ahead and let this melt down together. Okay, and as this melts down, we're going to go ahead and add a couple of slices of Gouda. Now Gouda, if you don't like it, you can use another cheese. I like smoked Gouda. It gives the macaroni and cheese a really good flavor without even having to put a lot of seasonings, because some macaroni and cheese you put seasonings, some people don't put seasonings, but with this Gouda cheese you really do not have to do a lot to your macaroni and cheese, and the flavor is so good. So you can get this from I get mine sliced thin because I never eat a lot of Gouda cheese by itself. So I get mine sliced thin from the Publix deli. So you can go to any grocery store and ask them for it, or you can just buy it in the block form, or you can buy it actually comes sliced as well. So we're just going to continue to stir this, and we're going to add a little bit more milk because we see that it's a little thick. But all these cheeses blend together very good to make a nice little cheese roux sauce. So we're going to get ready to add in our cream cheese. So I actually add in a half or a whole. It just depends on the size of macaroni and cheese that you're making. The cream cheese is going to make it super, super creamy. And as you guys can see, these cheeses are already blending together and the sauce is looking really good already. So there you just see me add a half a block of the cream cheese, and then we're going to add in some butter as well. So the sauce already is coming out really nice, and we just have one more cheese to add, which is our 4-cheese Mexican blend. Now only add about a half of this bag because I'm gonna save a little bit for the top of the macaroni and cheese also. So you just wanna add a little bit and then make sure that it gets melted down really good, and we're done. This is all you have to do for your cheese sauce. At this point, you wanna look at the consistency to see if it's thick enough, or if it's too thin, then just add some more cheese. If it's too thick, then you want to just add a little bit more milk, but you want to slowly let all these cheeses just blend, and you're going to have a really nice creamy consistency sauce. So whatever you decide to make your macaroni and cheese in, I have a little Corningware porcelain dish that I use, and I just add an egg and some salt, and then I will take a fork and just mix that up together. I also add a dash of black pepper as well. Now you take your evaporated milk. If you don't want to use the pet milk, evaporated milk, then you can use regular milk. But to me, if you don't add milk at this point, then this is when you get the macaroni and cheese that's like blocks. So like when you cut it, it's so stiff. I don't like macaroni and cheese like that. So I just add a little milk and egg to my pan. You want to just mix this up real good, and then in a bowl, you want to take your cheese sauce and mix it with your noodles, which I just did that off camera. You guys know how to strain your noodles after they're finished. And this is what it should look like once you mix your noodles with the cheese sauce that we just made. And then you want to add a layer of cheese on top. I thought I had some more cheese, but I ran out of cheese for the top, so I shouldn't put so much in my sauce, but I just add some to the top, and now we're ready for the oven. You can preheat your oven if you like. If not, that's fine. I don't have a certain amount of time that I cook my macaroni and cheese. I just wait for it to start bubbling on the edges, and that the top is a pretty golden brown like you see here. I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But that's it, you guys. Once that cheese sauce is melted, you're good to go. If you want to add onion powder and some garlic powder, you can add that to your sauce as well. But with the Gouda cheese, it gives it enough flavor, so I don't add any extra seasonings. But salt and pepper, that's it. And I just put that in my milk mixture that you guys saw. So this is the final product. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share with your friends. Hopefully you guys try this recipe for the holidays. Give this a thumbs up and drop a comment and let me know what you guys think. Until next time, fam. Bye.